Good morning. I am Mallory Cruz McGrath, Managing Editor of Floor Covering Weekly, here with Associate Editors Casey Parinelli and Morgan Bowman. Welcome to the 2020 GreenStep Awards Virtual Edition. Thank you for entering the 2020 GreenStep Awards program and for spending time with us today. And congratulations for your GreenStep recognition. GreenStep has been honoring, recognizing, and celebrating the great efforts and investments the floor covering industry has been making to be sustainably smart for a dozen years now. I want to recognize and thank the GreenStep judges, which represent associations for each product category. Their time and effort helps make the GreenStep Awards program a high honor. And today we are recognizing Armstrong Flooring.
Yay!
Yay! Congratulations!
Thank you. Happy to be here.
So welcome to Michel Vermette, President and CEO, and Amy Costello, Sustainability Manager. Armstrong is this year's Practice Process winner. Practice Process looks at how processes are transforming to adhere to better sustainable practices. It continues to be a cornerstone to environmental stories. Armstrong is being recognized for its Zero-Kilowatt challenge born last year. It all began when an energy auditor asked, "Why do you run your 200 horsepower air compressor on the weekend?" This question led to the realization that you had an opportunity to revisit the shutdown procedures and ensure that you're maximizing opportunities for energy efficiency. This challenge engaged plant employees to reduce, if not eliminate, energy use when the plant was not operating. This goal, while not complicated, was something that all employees could help achieve. Congratulations on being the 2020 GreenStep Practice Process winner.
Yay!
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Now I'll turn it over to you.
So
we're delighted to have been honored with this award. As you said, it started with a really small idea, a simple question of why we were running our compressors on the weekend, and it really led us to question, how we were doing our shutdown procedures, and we realized that there was an opportunity for us to improve and to further reduce the energy at our facilities. And this kind of set off a whole series of events that helped us improve what we were doing.
it was also a great way to engage our employees and share the feedback. And you think about that, the question we received was a simple question that actually triggered a series of other ones. And when we engaged the team and so on, many ideas came through in how we could be better, operate better, and transition our operations from different times and different shutdowns when we got to do maintenance and update operations or capital improvements. And it's something, the little details matter and add up over time for sure.
Yes, absolutely. So Armstrong is committed to keeping sustainability top of mind. How did this commitment lead to the invention of the Zero-Kilowatt challenge?
I think it led to the invention because we were actually doing energy audits. So in 2019, so last year, we did energy audits at our North American manufacturing plants. And so as part of these audits is what really triggered the initial question as to, what are we doing from a shutdown procedure process. So this really helped bring this to light and what we could do additionally. And I think it also helped our employees understand that they all had the opportunity to contribute and to improve our energy best management practices.
Right, and when you engage them, I think these audits, they're definitely identified opportunities. And I had the privilege of being with the company now for a year, and AFI has a great culture of sustainability, improvement, and innovation. And when we shared those findings, they kept coming up with more. And I think the one thing, not only it's been initiatives in multiple locations now in how they're looking at things, and it's not only now energy, it's also different intensities. So we ramped up the roadmap, and I'm thrilled where the team is pushing the initiatives and thinking about the whole category differently. So,
yes, absolutely. Now, in working toward eliminating energy use, what other areas of energy conservation have become apparent to you and to your employees?
Well, we've really been trying to sort of push the envelope and really try to identify additional ways that we can reduce energy. One of the things we also did last year, or actually at the beginning of this year, is we sponsored a Department of Energy energy treasure hunt. So we actually brought in an outside consultant to help our team, to help the plant employees really be able to identify additional ways that they could reduce energy. And it was really exciting at the end of this event to have one of our employees came up to me and said they were so excited that they thought that reducing energy was something the engineers could do, that they didn't realize everybody had the opportunity to be able to identify energy reduction opportunities. So I think it's a really good way to get everybody involved and to realize that energy is something, and sustainability in general is something that everybody has the opportunity to participate and to help drive.
Mm-hmm.
And the other thing, it also created, now it was an event, it's also a way of thinking now across the facilities. So they're looking out. There's, as you know, facilities change, evolve, processes are always, new processes are coming in, and the employees are watchful as a group of the opportunities, So it's not only was it an event in the beginning, but it's also how they operate going forward, so which is nice to see.
Sure. My last question here is, has this initiative sparked any other company-wide strides towards sustainability?
A long history of working on sustainability. As a company, we set our first sustainability targets back in 2007. And so we've continually trying to improve our sustainability story. So I think this has really brought focus to sustainability. I think it's really helped show how a small change can make a big difference, and that how everybody can contribute to this difference. And I think it's really helped the team understand the interconnectivity between sustainability and just our general business practices. And I think it really helps people understand that sustainability just means good business sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very true. And I think the more we in how we operate, how our facilities, our business, we had some fun events. I like dumpster searches and so on, where employees got very involved. There's some great pictures of that, where they're looking at waste stream and eliminating those waste streams across the business. So I think it took the engagement level. To Amy's point, Armstrong has that ingrained in its culture, but I think took it that, hey, we want 1,800 of us involved in everyday processes and taking us to the next level. And there's definitely more ideas leveraging everybody across the organization than a select few. So we're really making it part of the broad operations, and it's something that we're discussing like every other type of results in the business on an ongoing basis. So continue raising that awareness, that intensity, and that dialogue across the business. So it's fun to see how some creative and sometimes wild ideas come about, but it pushes the envelope and keeps us fresh and challenged, and keep, there's no boundaries this team can't reach. And so I'm very excited in how they're raising the bar and reinventing the business.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And thank you for spending time with us today and chatting about the GreenStep Awards. Congratulations on your GreenStep 2020 Practice Process Award win. Yay.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And thank you all for doing this and pushing us all as an industry to get to the next level and keep pushing those limits all the time. So it goes a long way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.